The two hardest things to say in life are first time and goodbye for the last. Today is a very emotional day. As you all know, we gathered here to bid farewell to our seniors for our seniors.
Because I saw in the program that someone is a chief guest, is the principal for diet. So actually, our principal's post is equivalent to the post of deputy director. You know that, no? So I am directed to be the chief guest for this function here. So I would like to thank the organizers of the program, my dear lecturers, and all those. And when you get a job, try to implement those in your school when you get an appointment. So maybe some of you are already in a teaching job now. Some of you are outgoing.
We don't want to see you again here in the diet. With 2 years, you will qualify, and after getting your qualification, then P not only 3 becomes a Pyni.
Well, maybe the bonus for Mr. Nidama. Anyway, someone sedang masih kuat I just want to tell you that I hate pandemic very much. Yes or no?
Yes.
Why? Because we miss a diet week last year. No demonstration, no basketball, nothing. Huh? Dapat mau tahu si Tommy minta dan sekamas. Kau mana mentang ini Indonesia ni, kalau sekolah ni, okay, welcome lagi. I welcome all the outgoing second years. We missed a lot of activities last year. Lucky we are able to complete internship program courses, and some of those I think you all know that there are portions that maybe we have not been able to complete. Is this true or not? All of these I've seen when we do internship while you are practicing English to the no? Gini kayak konfos. Kalau school, kena ada belum ni? What I want to tell you is that you have to go there, do the observation, bring some change. Mom, bring some change. I know there's a problem. Last year, I think at the time when we go some thing we do, according we did some research from for TRT, and when we go there, we found some of our teachers who pass out from here, who get a job. You know what the problem is? The seniors are those old teachers. These new teachers, they want to change the classroom settings, they want to change the teaching, but you know what? The senior teachers, Kimlong willing. Come to, it's not, come to. He said, no, they cannot change. You have to find something, you have to teach them, you have to tell them, no, it's time to change. No? Nomor P, bidaya dia ini. Yes, itu. They cannot change, maybe, but you have to bring change. You know, you have to bring change to the students of your district. Even though the literacy rate is low in Jaintia Hills, but do you know that the highest number of trained teachers are from Jaintia Hills? You know that? But why? But why our classroom teaching does not improve? Because even there are so many people that go they go there only club traditional.
of hunger for all your time. Goes by so slowly, and time goes by so slowly. And the band won't play. I'll always remember us this way. Always in the night, always trying to ride. We don't know how to ride, but can we try? But I know you're where I wanna go. The clouds be the truth will never die. So when I'm on top of a I can find the world. It's really getting us, we're far from the shallow now. In the shallow, in the shallow. Far from the shallow now. Oh, I'm on the deep end, watch as I dive in. I'll never meet the ground. Crash to the surface where they can hurt us. We're far from the shallow now. find faith. Oh, do you give me hope? If नहीं जन्मदिन सारी रात Better